Unfortunately, there's no magic pill when it comes to Forex. You can ask any experienced trader, and they'll tell you there is no method, no indicator, or system that profits 100% of the time. These are the two reasons why. The first reason is you can't predict the future. You have no idea what the president of a country will say during their speech, or when the next terrorist attack will happen, or when the next tsunami will hit, or what the next big hedge fund manager will say during an interview. These events can move the market in crazy ways and can throw off your trading system temporarily. When this happens, the best thing you can do is limit your losses if they occur. The second reason there is no magic pill in Forex is because data doesn't move the market. Humans do. And think about it. Traders make decisions that aren't always logical or congruent to the information in the market. And when you multiply these decisions by the millions of traders in the market who all have different account sizes and strategies, sometimes it seems impossible to tell which way the market is going to move. This is why indicators or patterns or any type of technical analysis isn't always 100% accurate. You simply can't get rid of human behavior, which means there will always be some risk in the market since the future will always be unknown. It would be nice if we could just come up with an awesome equation that would be accurate 100% of the time. But you are always going to have a time when you are on the wrong side of a currency market move. In fact, there will be a lot of times that this happens. If you feel like you always have to be correct or you're a perfectionist, I've warned you. Nobody can predict the market correctly every single time. Nobody. So don't waste time searching for the magic pill that is going to be profitable on every single trade.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.